Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can change your relationship status in the Field app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply open your Field app, and once your Field app gets completely booted up, it will lead you to this kind of page. So once you're here, simply press on your profile like icon, and then from this page you need to simply tap on the pair profile. So in this page you can add your partner from any apps like Snapchat, Instagram or anything, and once they accept your request, your partner will be shown in this page. So this will help you change your relationship profile on the Field app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.